Well, green light through. This is the free-for-all for the evening over the 520. Set and ready. Racing, Magic Spring began poorly. Topper Road began brilliantly. It's looking for the lead with Premier Mosin carving down the outside. Let it develop. 3 in line to the first turn. Moving to fourth was Black Lagoon. They were followed up by Magic Spring, My Boy Snoop. Then Zipping Abbey and Night Watchman back at the rear. Let it develop down the back. Moved up and grabbed the lead over Topper Road. 3 lengths away, My Boy Snoop starting to run on. Then Premier Moz. Let it develop in the lead over Topper Road. My Boy Snoop. Let it develop. Gripping on and wins. Let it develop first. My Boy Snoop grabs second ahead of Topper Road. They were followed in by Premier Moza, Gap 2, Zipping Abbey, Black Lagoon, Magic Spring and Night Watchman, one of the tail enders. Number 8, Let It Develop first. Number 8, Let It Develop was a good competitive race early on. There were 3 in line around the first turn, but he had his box. He stayed out wide on the track where he does show his customary early and mid-race speed, and he moved up. He grabbed the lead on the top turn, pinched a break, and he's been able to hold on and get the money. Number 8, Let It Develop. 2 black and white, My Boy Snoop has finished strongly to grab second ahead of number 7, Topper Road, and won the red Premier Moz, officially fourth in. 29.96 the overall time, 29 and 96. 5:38 the early section, 13.86, 18.01.